Excuse me. Rishit, how is the homework, Rishit? Do you have any on the homework? How are you, by the way?
I'm good. Miss Priya,
Yes, go ahead.
I have a question about eighth grade transformations.
Absolutely. Tell me, what's up?
Like, so our school's teaching that to us now, and we have a test on that next Wednesday.
School is teaching transformation. You're in Algebra 1, right?
Yeah, it's just
Okay.
that since I didn't do eighth grade math, they're like teaching us important topics on it.
For geometry, huh?
Yeah,
Oh, what a mess, Rishit. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. 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 Go ahead. Go ahead with your question. What is the question you have?
like can you teach me like an overview of eighth grade geometry?
Transformations, ma. But you know what? Did we not cover the same thing in 7th grade?
No, I don't think so.
We did, right?
I
We
only remember dilations.
dilation, similarly, translation, reflection, rotation, we would have covered, right? What, is there any question that you have? I can address it.
Yeah, so for rotation,
Uh-huh.
my teacher keeps telling me to write a rule for 270
Uh-huh.
shifts,
Uh-huh.
and then I always get confused because she always does it for an counterclockwise 90 angle version of it.
Okay, okay. So you want to know how to write the rules, is it?
Yeah,
I see. Okay, if I go ahead and show you the rules, would it help you?
yes,
Yes, you remember I circulated a cheat sheet as well in your 7th grade. You don't remember?
no, not really.
Okay, no problem. But I can help you with it. See whether it helps rather than dealing with the entire topic now. Because now, see, the intent was for me. Why did we cover in 7th grade? Because in geometry, you'll find it useful, is what I thought. But I will help you because just that you are not able to get going with it, right? Just give me 1 minute. Okay. We will go ahead with a little bit of an overview on that. See, there I can see. I'll show you. Hold on. So you don't know how to write the transformation rules, correct?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Now, particularly for rotation is particularly hard. Absolutely agreed. Okay. If I show you this, would it help? I'm asking. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. If this helps you, I will go ahead share this with you. Okay. This is common for all because it is a part of geometry. I know that, but I'll cover it later. Okay. See here. But I'm glad you're asking, Rishit. So this is the rule you're wanting, right, Rishit?
yeah,
So what is that you're not understanding? Meaning 90-degree clockwise is what is counterclockwise. All that you need to understand, is it?
yeah,
Okay. Hey guys, Rishit came up with some questions on transformations. I'm going to address that quickly. Okay. Mm. See, Rishit, let's consider this line, Rishit.
yeah,
If I rotate it 90-degree counterclockwise, right? This is 90-degree counterclockwise, right?
yeah,
Think about it is the same as how many degrees clockwise?
270.
Yep, that's what is given here. 90-degree counterclockwise is the same as 270-degree clockwise.
Okay,
Does that sound good?
yeah,
Now, let's say there is a point. Let's consider this point. What is this point? 1, 0. Make sense?
yeah,
If I rotate it 90-degree counterclockwise, that point will become what?
um,
It's just
0,
movement here
1,
to this
0, 1.
0, 1. Does this rule obey? 90-degree counterclockwise. So if this is 1, 0, see what happens. They switch places first. 0, 1, they switch places and you negate your y. Minus 0 is a 0. So it becomes 0, 1. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Is it any easy?
Yeah, it became easier.
Okay, now, no. We don't want to consider 0, 1. I want you to learn something properly. So let's consider 1, 1. Let's consider the point 1, 1. Guys, all of you, it's going to be useful in geometry. 1, 1. If I consider the point 1, 1, right, Rishit? The center of rotation is always the origin right at this level for you. Okay, so I will draw a straight line through the point and I'll again take the same thing, 90-degree counterclockwise. If I rotate it, that line comes here, right? So this distance I'll have to plot on this line. I plot it. See what it becomes. The 1, 1 point, what will it become of? You tell me.
-1, 1.
Negative 1, 1. See here, 1, 1 switches its place, but y gets negated. See, minus. Do you see, Rishit?
Mm-hmm.
Does it make sense to you now?
Yeah.
Similarly, if there is a point 180 degree, let's say there is a point here. You're going to rotate it 180 degree. This 180 degree is the same as this 180 degree. That is why 180 degree counterclockwise is the same as 180 degree clockwise. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now how about 90 degree? I'm going to rotate it 90 degree clockwise. Let's say there is a point in here. I will call it as 3, 2. 90 degree clockwise means I'll rotate it like this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 90 degree clockwise. So what becomes of the point?
-2, 3.
It will be,
I
yes,
mean,
actually, yeah. So basically they will switch. It will become -2, comma. Will
-3.
it become -2, 3? No, right? X-axis is positive. This is the fourth quadrant, right? X
Yeah.
will remain positive only. 2, -3. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
When you look at the rule, see here. 3, 2, 90 degree clockwise, right? It will switch its places. But here, x gets negated. Do you see? 2, -3. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Now it's clear?
Yeah.
So can I share these rules with you? The thing is, you will have to memorize this 90 degree clock. You don't have to memorize this. This is very clear already. 90 degree clockwise, xy becomes y minus x. 180 degree clockwise, xy becomes x and y remains the same, but they get negated. 270 degree clockwise, x and y change its place, but the x coordinate gets negated. Here the y coordinate gets negated. Do you see it?
Yeah.
That you need to memorize. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, but I'll circulate the cheat sheet with you that I have. Make sense?
Yeah. Could I quickly take a screenshot of it?
Amma, I'll give see, I'm going to share with you this one. See here. You don't need a screenshot. I'm going to share with you in the Google Classroom this entire thing. I'll show you what I'm going to share.
Okay.
So this will help you a lot further to move on. If you have any questions, wait to the end of the class. I will clarify as well. Where is it? 1 minute. I'll show you what this is what I'm going to share with you. This entire sheet. Okay. So in that sheet for rotation, it's in here. Do you see it?
Yeah.
For dilation, see what happens. Dilation as well is in here. Translation, see. I want for translation as well. This is not a good one. For translation as well, I want, guys. Okay, hold on. That's not a good one. This is a good one. But I do know that this is incorrect. Can I check this, correct it, and send it to you? This is what I circulated in your 7th grade. But let me quickly check it out. There is one thing that's wrong in here. I will rectify that and then send it to you. Make sense?
Yeah.
I think for 270, I don't know. I'll check it out and send it to you. There is one of the rules that is incorrect. I will check correct and send it to you. Make sense?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Anything else you needed help with? Translation, anything?
No, not really.
Only rotations was confusing?
Yeah.
Okay. And similarly, translation is easy as well. Do you know? I mean, sorry. Reflection is easy as well. Do you know about reflection? The same rules. You
Yeah.
have to follow the same rules. See? Here, reflection over the x-axis, y-axis, over the line, y equal to x. Here are the rules. Do you see it?
Yeah.
So the same rule you can apply, but make sure you apply it correctly. Make
Okay.
sense?
Hi, Miss Priya. Sorry I'm late. I thought the class was later today.
Oh, no problem, ma. I already circulated the message, right? Okay, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Any questions on the last week's homework, guys?
I had a few questions. Question, I think, here, let me check. 21 to 26. Like, I
See, I'm
wasn't,
not in a hurry, so I really want you to understand and move on now. Let
yeah,
me
I
bring up your
had questions 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I just wasn't able to get the type of like problem.
Okay, no problem. Let's go there.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
can you also go over like 16 and 17? I didn't get those either.
Yeah, anything we'll go through. There is no hurry, right? Okay. This one. Which one are you saying, ma? You have to
21,
do the numbers,
20,
right?
21, 22, 23, and 24.
21. Oh, no. Bhakti had questions earlier. Bhakti, what was your question number?
16 and 17.
16 and 17. Pranav, did you do the homework?
Yeah.
Would somebody like to explain 16?
I
Would
had
somebody who
from
has done
16
16
too.
would like to explain it on the board? Yes, no. I accept
But
all
Miss
answers,
Priya,
right?
I first drew it out and then I put like each corresponding like equation with the segment, but then
Okay,
I
would you
kept getting
mind
like
drawing it out, Bhakti? Very nice volunteering. Would you mind drawing it out for me?
yeah.
Draw. Come on. Don't worry about going wrong, okay?
Wait, so it's supposed to have sorry.
Uh-huh.
4 segments, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this would be A and then wait, this would be sorry.
Mm-hmm.
So it said AB was negative.
Yeah, but did you
Uh,
read the instructions above? A, B,
yeah,
C, D are collinear and positioned in that order.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So would this be wrong?
You have to find A, okay? A, B. C, D is what? X plus 25.
Yeah.
AD is 5x plus 7.
5x.
Did you draw like this?
Yeah.
AB is minus
Mhm.
9 plus x. BC is 55.
55.
Yojit, did you do the homework?
Yes, but I had a question on just a few of these.
Okay, no problem. I'll come to each of your question, okay? How did you do this, Bhakti?
So I put 9x, negative 9 plus x plus 55 plus x plus 25 is equal to 5x plus 17.
Okay.
But then
Pranav,
I kept getting some like repeating decimal for x, I think.
Interesting. Okay, let's see. 20, 80. 80 minus 9 is 72, right? Three x equal to take away 20, 52. 50, 72 minus 17,
It's 55.
55. Wow. 1 second, guys. 16.
The
What is it?
answer was 9, I think.
Okay, let's do. Good job, Bhakti. Good job bringing this up. We were doing this one, right? 15th, right?
16.
Okay. So find AB if CD is x plus 25. AD is 5x plus 17. Okay. AB is mine. Okay. BC is 55. Correct. So minus 9 plus x plus 55 plus x plus 25 equal to 5. Okay, that's right. So 2x and then now 55, 60, 70, 80, 80 minus. That's incorrect. 80 minus 9. This is incorrect. 80 minus 9 is 71, right? Okay, 3x equal to 71.
But
7,
either way, that'll still be a decimal, right?
no, right, ma?
71? Or, oh,
No,
54.
no, 54 by 3. 18. So here if you substitute, it's a 9.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Wait, so how did you get 54?
71. Subtract 17 on both sides.
Oh, okay. I think I got like negative numbers or something. That's why.
Do you get it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yojit, what is your question?
I didn't understand question number 32.
But something else you had, Anya, right? Before that?
I had 21, 22, 23, and 24.
I didn't understand like this endpoint line segment thing.
Because I didn't teach you. I wanted you to try. Both the classes, I did not teach you this, I gave this. I had worked with you on finding the midpoint. So I was wondering whether if I give the reverse, would you be able to find? I was wondering. But that's okay. We'll go there. Okay. I'm glad, Yojit, you're bringing it up.
I
So
also wasn't able to get that.
no problem. 21, 22, 23, 24 you wanted.
Yeah, just like that type of problem I wasn't able to get.
But right now I solved one, right? Can you solve?
Yeah. Yeah, I think I was able to solve the earlier ones. I just found these ones really difficult.
It's the same, Anya. Because I don't think you read ABCDs in order. They are collinear. ABCDs in order. So AD, it's exactly the same thing I'm saying. I don't see any difference.
Okay.
BC is 10. AC is 5x plus 102. Oh, I see. I see the complexity. I see the complexity. Pranav, how did you solve this, Pranav?
I had problems with that too.
Oh my goodness. Yes, it is a little complex, Anya. Agreed. What equation did you form, Anya? What equation did you form, Anya?
Because if it was asking for BC, I sort of tried to take it says find BC. So I took AC, and then I took the difference between B and D, and then I tried to find the difference between the two of them, because it's AC, and then there's BC in between, and then it's BD, and then there's BC in between. So if I could find the difference between the two of them, maybe I could find what BC is.
Pranav, how did you solve? Pranav or Navya, how did you solve? Pranav, I'm waiting to listen.
Would you subtract 5x plus 102 by x plus 79? Or negative, oh wait, never mind. 5x plus 102.
Good question. Who else has thoughts? Navya, what did you do, ma?
I tried to subtract them, I think.
Good job. So what did you do there?
Oh wait.
Anybody can voice out. We are all discussing, right?
Wait, Miss Priya, where did 5x come from?
I thought it was given here.
Oh, sorry. I was looking at the
So
wrong problem.
would you do 5x plus 102 and subtract it by BC?
5x plus 102 and then?
Subtracted by BC.
Yeah, subtract BC from it. Take off this line. Subtract BC and then what? Add what?
x plus 79.
Add x plus 79. That gives you what? The full length AD, right?
4x plus 147.
Did you get it? Anya, Yojit, did you get it?
Sort of, because like, yeah, no, I got it.
Anya, see here. From this length, you're taking away this length, okay? You're removing it and adding this. Makes
Okay.
sense, Anya?
Yes.
Then it is easy to solve. How? This is 6x plus 92 plus 79 equal to 4x plus 147. Now 2x, this will be 140. Something feels wrong, so wrong. Let me see once, guys. Let me do once. I'm not convinced we got it. So
I think you have to
four-
I think you have to do I think it's 5x plus 102, which is then equal to 4x plus 147. And then
5x plus 102 is this length, ma.
yeah, so
That
that's
I'm subtracting a 10. And then adding x plus 79, correct? Am I incorrect?
I was like doing it like to substitute, like you can substitute it into the
There
expression.
is only one variable. I didn't get you, Srishti. I mean, just explain to me.
Yeah, so first you would do 5x plus 102, which is equal to 4x plus 147.
Mm-hmm.
And then you move the x's to one side, so 5x minus
Wait. I cannot do this. I cannot equate these two, right? Srishti, I'm just talking. I'm glad that you are volunteering to say. See, 5x plus 102 is the length of this line. How can that be equated to the entire length of the line? It is just AC. 5x plus 102 is AC. 4x plus 147 is AD.
Yeah, so
You
you would,
can't equate both, right? You did not add this part at all, right?
oh yeah,
You got it, ma?
yeah.
That's why what I did, I had 5x plus 102. I took up this line, took away the 10, removed the 10 and added this x plus 79. Got it?
Yeah.
And then equated that. Now this becomes 6x plus 92 plus 79, 4x plus 147. Now 2x. No, I think we did it right, but it will be a negative number. So I was a little afraid, that's all. So this would be 147. Now see, the problem for me is 171 minus 147 is what? 24, right? So it will be a negative number. That's the problem. Okay, but I think that's fine. X equal to minus 12. They're asking us to find AC, right? What is AC? AC is 5x. AC is 5x plus 102. We know x equal to minus 12. So minus 60 plus 102 is 42. So AC is 42. Can one of you check the answer for question number 21? Is it 42? Guys, please check and tell me, guys. Nabiha, are you following, Nabiha?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, good.
Yeah, it's 42.
Yeah. It's 42. Okay, good. Now, I really wanted to try. Anya, I'm glad you're bringing it up, ma. This set was a difficult one, meaning 2021. Why don't we do 23, guys? Can we do 23? Meaning, please don't copy and send the answer. Okay, that is something I don't like. If you don't understand, you don't understand, and we are going to work with it. Okay, so please do 23. Send in the equation. Send in what equation you're framing. What plus what equal to what, and then the answer. Can I get that from you guys? 23. So good. See, basically, let's see this one. AB is a line. Let's say C is not the midpoint, okay? So AB, the line segment AB can be written as AC plus CB. AB line segment is written as AC line segment plus CB. This is called segment addition postulate. Segment addition postulate. So all these problems are based on segment addition postulate. Make sense? Similarly, what is a postulate, guys? It's an accepted statement. It doesn't have to have a proof. Postulate means other name of calling a postulate is axiom. Note it down, guys. On and off in geometry, we'll keep referring to some weird definitions, weird terms. Okay. So you have to start speaking geometrically. Okay. So postulate means it is an accepted statement. It doesn't need to have a proof. Just a statement with no proof. So here you're saying, right, AB is equal to AC plus CB. We all know that. But see how geometrically I have written that. AB line, this is read as line segment AB is equal to the sum of the line segment AC and the line segment CB. That is called, we give very sophisticated names to simple things. This is called segment addition postulate. Similarly, there's one more. What is that? I'll tell you. The angle is always written as 3 letters, right? A, B, C. Or I can call this angle as angle B. This angle can be called as angle B or ABC. 3 letters or 1 letter and a L like this. So this is angle addition postulate. What does it say? This is also very easy. You already know that, but we are giving weird names to it. That tells, let me call this as D. ABD plus DBC. Make sense, guys? This is called angle addition postulate. These two postulates are very important. Okay, any questions for me? Mahir, are you following? Mahir, this week I didn't get a message from your mom, right?
I finished most of the questions, but
your mom didn't message me. Let me check with your mom. So guys, now so we learned about segment addition postulate and angle addition postulate just now. The two postulates are very important. We'll discuss a lot of postulates. Okay, in geometry. Postulate means just that it's an accepted statement without proof. Whereas when we go on to theorems, right? Mathematicians have proven theorems. It needs a proof. Okay. It needs a proof and then only it is accepted as a theorem. Okay. Postulates can be used to prove theorems. Postulates are just accepted statements. So we studied two postulates just now. One is segment addition postulate, one is angle addition postulate. Now, can you go ahead and do this using segment addition postulate? I'll wait. Please send me the equation as well.
Wait, Miss Priya, that was an accident. I was trying to finish my equation.
No problem at all. I don't know what is being shared at all. Which one? Are you seeing my Chrome screen? Huh? Are you seeing the problem, guys? Okay. 23. Oh, I got so many answers. I didn't see. Ma, please send the equation, ma. Otherwise, how will I know, right?
Miss Priya, do you want the simplified equation or like just the
I
regular
would like
equation?
to see what did you add? Rishit, that seems right. Adira, the line segment length can never be negative, right, Madira?
I didn't even submit my answer yet.
Oh, That was the previous problem.
No, that was just an accident. I accidentally clicked.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so always guys find CD means CD will never be a negative number. Good job, Adira. Nice to see. You're a little confused. Okay, see, Bhakti, please draw.
Okay, wait, on
Draw
the
what is
board?
required and then we'll frame the equation with A, B, B, C. See, A, B, C, D. CD, you have to find CD. This is what you need to find. AB is 60, BC is x minus 18, CD is 8x minus 87, AD is 19x minus 275. So what equation can we form? You know AB
AB
plus
plus
BC plus CD.
is equal to AD.
Yeah, that's it. It's an easy one,
So I
right?
just like plug in the values.
Yeah.
Okay. For CD, right?
Yeah, this one is an easy one.
Wait.
Correct.
So what am I adding to? Like I'm trying to find
Amma,
AD or
you're
because
just
I'm trying to find CD, so there's nothing that adds to CD.
don't worry about it. First find out the x value and then we'll substitute and find out CD.
Okay.
You got it? You have to have an equation to find out your x value. Did you, Vinisha? Good job, ma. But did you get it, Vinisha? Answer?
Yeah, I got it once you explained on the board.
Lima, did you get the answer? I didn't see your answer, right?
Oh yeah, I'm still working on it.
Oh, okay, okay. So this is segment addition. You just add pieces of segment for the whole segment. Try to find out x. You need one equation to find your unknown. Unknown is x here.
No, so I was confused because you were saying to find the equation and I didn't know what to find.
Yeah, I get it. I get it. They're asking you to find CD. After finding x, you have to substitute in 8x minus 87 to find out CD. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank-
Vinisha, is that right? Guys, I really want you. What is going on? I really want you to be able to do this question well. Vinisha, looks like the equation solved was incorrect, ma. Do you want to check? Guys, I'm waiting for your
Yeah.
answers. Some of you are not answering.
Wait,
Srishti, did you get it?
for which question?
Oh, 23.
Yeah, I just submitted it.
Miss
Oh.
Priya, I sent in my answer.
Yes, Nabi, I got yours, ma. Correct, ma. Now we are correct. If you're not getting only, I'm a little bothered. Then I'll help you. I'm saying you can just say, Auntie, I didn't get it. Pranav, did you get it? Where? Where is the answer? Did you send it? Yes, you sent it first. Thank you. I got it.
I sent mine to.
Yeah, I saw most of your answers. So guys, Vinisha, I don't know why you didn't get it, ma. 60 plus x minus 18 plus 8x minus 87 equal to 19x minus 275. Just solve this equation. Group the x's. Take the x's to one side. Take the numbers to one side. Vinisha, can I move on?
Yeah, you can move on.
Okay, but did you have the same equation with you?
Yeah, I have the
you
same
had it.
equation. I think I
Yeah.
just did
Anya,
it.
you're not answering. What is going on, Anya?
I don't really get how to do this.
Aha, that's not acceptable. Did you please draw for yourself? I was explaining all the while. What were you doing?
I was trying to get it, but like I was okay. So first, what
No,
I
then
did,
it should have been come. It should have come from you. I cannot bug you like this. Auntie, I didn't understand here. Immediately you should have said when I was explaining.
Because like I was able to understand the first two steps, but after that I wasn't able to get
Then
anything.
you should have raised it immediately when I explained, right? After bugging for an answer, if you come up with this, I'm not going to explain that. You're going to try it out by yourself. Seema, I'm very particular because see, when I'm so particular, each of you should understand there's no point in after bugging coming back and saying, I didn't understand at all. That pulls the entire class down, which is not justifiable. I want you to try and send in the equation to me. Draw for yourself, see whether you get it. Otherwise, I'm here to help.
Okay.
Yeah, just send it to me, ma. So let me go ahead with this one. How
For
about this?
23, right?
Yeah, ma.
Okay.
24. All of you try. This is a little different. AC is given. AB. AC is given. BC. AD. AC. Yeah, this is a good one. Can you try 24 and that's it? We are done with this. I'm going to move on. Bhakti. Is this for CD, ma?
I got 38 for X. So
Oh, for X. Can you please send me
I put CD also. I think. Yeah.
That is incorrect. Okay, for
Okay.
answer, I'll solve if you don't get it. Okay, no problem. Just do 24. I'll solve 23 again. I will solve 23 for you guys. You go ahead and solve 24 for me. All of you will solve the same problem, right? Anya, I'll do it on the board again. I didn't get an answer from you.
Okay.
Did you get it? What is the equation you got?
I didn't get an equation.
Why? Did you draw?
No.
Then just like that, seeing this is not going to get you. I want an equation from you. Then only I'm going to do it on the board. First of all, come on the video. See, that's the problem. If you're not on the video, you're totally distracted and doing something else when it is being explained as well. Not just you, be it anybody, I'm saying. Even if it's me, if I switch off the video, I'm not accountable here. Really, Rashid? I don't know. Let's check it out. I'm a little lost, guys. Okay, it's okay. Let's see. Rishit, that doesn't seem right. Do you want to explain how you came up with the equation? I'm waiting to hear.
Okay, so is it okay if I annotate?
Yes, please. You don't have to ask. Go ahead.
Okay. So A,
B, C, D. You want me to annotate? Let me know.
I got it. It's okay.
Right, okay.
And then A to C
Correct.
is 3x
Correct.
plus 57, and BD
BD. BD
is 78.
Correct.
And
Aha. Okay. Yojit, there is a minor mistake in your equation.
BC is 7x minus 90.
Yeah. So what was your equation, Rishit?
Um,
You can just tell me in terms of AB, AD, ACs. Okay. Can I write it down here if it's okay with you? Can I write?
yeah.
Okay. A, B, C, D, right? Good job. You did this is 78, correct? This is 3x plus 57. 3x plus 57, this is 78. Now BC, the small thing is 7x minus 90. That's tricky. And then AD, the whole thing is 3x plus 92. There is a minor issue, ma.
Yeah,
Yes, Anya,
I
that's correct.
accidentally switched 7x minus 90 and 78. I've drawn it correctly, but I switched it in the equation.
Okay. So basically what you can do, you can add this. Literally, you can add AC with BD. AC and BD I added, but you are duplicating the distance BC. BC distance is being added twice. You see? So I
Miss Priya,
subtract. Yeah, go ahead, ma.
I set my answer in the equation I set, and I went down from there and got the answer.
Correct, ma. Good job, Anya. See, now you got it. Very nice, Anya. So AC, I took AC, this entire line. Again, I added this, where this was a repeat. Do you see the center BC was added twice? So I subtracted one BC to get AD. How many of you didn't understand this? Nabiha, did you get it? Nabiha?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, now AC is what? The tricky part is, again, there is a tricky part. 3x plus 57 is AC, which is nice. BD is what? 78, which is nice. But subtracting BC is tricky. Why? Because BC is given as 7x minus 90, which is an expression. So the negative sign should be outside and it has to have a parenthesis. You know what? When the negative sign is distributed, it becomes minus 7x plus 90. That was the problem, Yojit, for you. 3x plus 57 plus 78 minus this. So that will be equal to 3x plus 92. So when you solve this, now this will be 7x equal to 225 minus 92. X will be equal to 1. So 19 I'm getting. If x equal to, what have they asked? Find AC, yeah. AC is 3x plus 57. We know x equal to 19. Substitute that in here. 57 plus, I'm getting AC is equal to 140 now. Really? I don't know if this is right, guys, though. I'm checking. Hold on. Anya, was your answer for this 97, ma?
No, my answer for the 23.
Oh, 23. 23 was 97, correct. 24th was 114. Correct, ma. Whatever we got was correct. Who has a question? You can ask now.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
how'd you get 225?
How did I get 100? Okay. Okay, let me go. Okay. So we are here. Till this, you understood, Pranav?
Oh no, I mean like how'd you get the net minus 7x minus 90?
Okay. See, Pranav, this one is there, right? This one. I added again this one. So what happens? This part is repeated 2 times, right?
Yeah.
So I subtracted 7x minus 90. 7x minus 90, if I subtract, then it becomes the entire line, correct?
Yeah.
So 3x plus 57 was added to 78. When I add, what happened? The BC part has been added twice. So I subtracted 1 BC. You got it? When I subtract, BC is 7x minus 90. It is an expression containing 2 terms, right? So I put that minus outside and in parenthesis. So I distributed it as minus 7x plus 90. Does that make sense? Now, after that, I grouped the x's. This becomes minus 4x. Then I added 57, 78, and 90, which became 225.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions, anybody? Any other questions? Anybody? No,
I
yes.
wasn't
that
able
one.
to get questions after number 30.
Okay, ma. Definitely I'll go over, Anya. I'm glad you're bringing it up. Can I move on? See, guys, these are part of geometry, so definitely bring it up. Okay, you will start only with these when you start your school. Can I move on? Okay, now. Okay, 31. Let's not do. Okay, let's do 31. When I have some points like this, right, I always want to put it in proper fractions, okay? This is the end point. One end point is 4, 7, 1, 6. Midpoint is minus 2.5 is what? Minus 2.5 means what is a minus 4? Minus 4? Minus 2.5, right? 5 by 2, right? Minus 5 by 2, right? And then 5 by 4. Correct, guys? This is the midpoint. Correct, guys? This point you don't know x1, y1. Correct?
Yeah.
Now, how do you find midpoints? Consider this as x2, y2. How do you find midpoint? Midpoint is x1. For the x coordinate, it's x1 plus x2 by 2. For the y coordinate, it's y1 plus y2 by 2. Correct? Now, the case here is, thank you. The x1, they have given this midpoint. We already know this midpoint. It is minus 5 by 2. So I will equate minus 5 by 2 to x1 plus x2 by 2. Why? I don't know x1, but I have x2. Do you see it? x2 is 4 by 7 minus 5 by 2 will be equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, correct? Wherever I work, I don't want fractions. I removed them. Okay. Now let me bring it here and solve. Minus 5 equal to x1 plus x2, correct? Now I know x2 is 4 by 7. 4 by 7, right? Minus 5 equal to x1 plus 4 by 7. Minus 5 minus 4 by 7 equal to x1. Minus 35 minus 4 by 7 equal to x1. Minus 39 by 7 equal to x. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Anya, did you understand now?
Yes.
Similarly, they have given, let me see, I don't know. Can one of you check the answer for 31? For y1 plus y2, they have given y2. Did you see that? Let me write it down here. y1 plus y2 by 2 will be equal to what? 5 by 4 is your midpoint. Okay. And y2 is given as 1 by 6, which is hard. All are in fractions. First, let me remove this fraction. Multiply by 4 both sides. What will happen? Multiply by 4 both sides. You will have, if I multiply by 4 both sides, right? 2 times y1 plus y2 equal to 5. Make sense? Now, you know y2, which is 1 by 6. 2 times y1 plus 1 by 6 equal to 5. Now 2y1 plus 1 by 3 will be equal to 5. So 2y1 equal to 5 minus 1 by 3. 15 minus 1 by 3 is 14 by 3, correct? Now y1 equal to 14 by 6. That's what I'm getting. Any questions? Hey, did one of you check the answer, guys? 31, I don't know what was
Well, the answer was negative 5, 4 over 7, and 2.
1 is a 35. 39 by 7. Did we get 39 by 7? Correct. Minus 39 by 7 and then 36, 37 by 12. We didn't get 37 by. 1 second. 39 by 7 is correct, ma. 7 by 3 we should have got. Correct. We got both. I'll show you. We got both. So now we are here, right? x1 is minus 39 by 7, comma, 14 by 6 is what? 7 by 3, right? 7 by 3. Instead of writing it like this, I can write the coordinate point as a mixed fraction. How do you write it as a mixed fraction? 5, 4 by 7, negative, comma, 2, 1 by 3. Make sense, guys? Any questions? I'm going to solve one more for you. These are difficult ones, I feel. Okay, I'll do one thing. Let me copy this. I want to do this problem because looks like it's difficult on you guys. I'll share my screen. It's not worth moving forward when we don't understand because we have time now. End point, midpoint, right? Now, end point is, please draw. Okay, 1 comma minus 1 by 3. 4 comma minus 1, 1 by 8. This is x1 comma y1. By formula, you already know midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2 for x, y1 plus y2 by 2 for the y point. This is given as 4 comma 8 ones are 8, 9 by 8 minus 9 by 8. This is what is given. Okay, but I'm going to substitute the formula. First, I'm going to solve for x now. x1 plus x2 by 2 will be equal to 4, right? This is x2 comma y2. Second point. Okay, now x1 plus x2 multiply by 2 on both sides, you get this. Okay, I don't know x1, but x2 is given as 1. x1 plus 1 equal to 8, x1 equal to 7. Now, y2, y1 and y2 I have to find out. y1 plus y2 by 2 will be equal to what? So crazy, this is 8 ones are 8, 9 by 8, minus 9 by 8. Right? Now, I want to take off the fractions, right? When I take off the fractions, multiply by 4 on both sides. 4y1 plus 4y2 equal to minus 9. y2, what is y2? y2 is minus 9 by 8. 4y1 plus 4 times minus 9 by 8 equal to minus 9. That becomes 4y1 minus 9 by 2 will be equal to minus 9. 4y1 equal to minus 9 plus 9 by 2, which is minus 18 plus 9 by 2, which is minus 9 by 2. Oh my gosh, what did I do? Which is minus 9 by 2, right?
Is
So,
y2 negative 1 by 3?
oh my God. Yes. Did I make a mistake? Yes. Yojit, perfect. Sorry, Yojit. I made a mistake. Thank you, Yojit. You caught me. Now, y1 plus y2 will be equal to minus 9 by 4. y2, he pointed out as minus 1 by 3, right? I substituted it wrongly. Minus 1 by 3 equal to minus 9 by 4. Right? Yeah, correct. Now, plus 1 by 3 on both sides. Now, it's just fraction addition, right? Minus 27, 3 4s are 12, right? Plus 4. So, minus 23 by 12 is what I'm getting. So, that would be 12 2s are 12, no, 12 1s are 12, 11 by 12. So, that is y1. I can write the coordinate point for this one as 7 comma minus 111 by 12. Any questions? Did you guys understand how to solve this? Once you write it down on paper and write your formulas, everything becomes clear. Can I move on? Can I move on, guys? Adira, did you follow? Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I move on then? Okay. Well, shall we solve one problem by yourself? I'm wondering. Give me a minute. I'm going to give you one problem and then you can do. Okay. How about this? ABCD. Okay, let me see what is this. It's a good one though. It's an easy one. Not able to see this properly, right? Are you able to see this? Okay, can we try that one? Adira, are you here? Go ahead.
Miss Priya, I sent in my answer.
It seems like this. So you all understood now, right? Yes.
I also sent my answer.
Navya, Yojit, Vinisha, you got it. Nabiha, you got it. Bhakti, your x1 value check ma. Pranav, you got it. Anya, you got it. Bhakti, your x value x1 is incorrect ma.
Oh, okay.
No problem. Okay, I'll give you a simpler homework this week, but it should clarify so many things for you. Okay. So now we completed this. Okay, now one or two more questions. We'll finish with that. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, let's try this one. Midpoint, we'll do midpoint. Okay. Find the coordinates of K. Okay. Okay, how about this? I wanted to be a little okay. One from the homework itself, I thought I'll do because that was a little hard on me as well. Let me see once. Okay, how about this? Would you be able to solve this one? Or how about this? That's the last one. Let's see. Correct, ma. Bhakti correct. Nabiha correct. Rishit correct. Srishti correct. This is with fractions, right? It's just for you to work with fractions. That's all. I think everybody got the concept. Mahir, I didn't get the answer from you though.
Miss Priya, do you want the answer in decimal or
Fraction, fraction. Ma. With that, we'll conclude.
Okay.
At least one x1 I would like to get. That's nice. Srishti, the right one is incorrect, ma.
Which one?
Yeah, Pranav, it can be simplified, right, Pranav? X1 is correct, Y1 is incorrect, ma, Srishti. But that's okay, it's a little complicated, I feel, right?
Yeah, I didn't really understand the second.
But yeah, but we should be very good with fractions. That's the deal. That's
Yeah.
fine. That's fine. Yeah. See, you understood. Okay. So here I'll finish quickly. So this is one endpoint, right? X1, Y1. This is the midpoint, right? X2, Y2 is what you don't know, right? So 1 by 6 plus X2 by 2 will be equal to 5 by 4. First, take out the fractions. Underneath fraction should be taken out. Multiply by 4 both sides. So it will be 2 times 1 by 6 plus x2 equal to 5. So this becomes 5 by 2. 1 by 6 plus x2 equal to 5 by 2. x2 equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 by 6. So put it in common denominator. So that would be 6 is the common denominator. 15 minus 1, 14 by 6 is 7 by 2. Okay, that will be equal to 3 1 by 2. Makes sense? Now 7 by 2, 7 by 3 ma, sorry. 3 2s are 6. 1 by 3. 2 1 by 3 is your x1. Okay. Y1 seems a little complicated, but we will get there. So 8 2s are 16, 17. Minus 17 by 8 is 1 point. Y2 divide by 2 equal to 21. 26 by 7, right? 26 by 7 negative. Okay. First, let me avoid the fractions. Fractions are hard to deal with. So I'll multiply by 2 on both sides. Minus 17 by 8 plus y2 will be equal to, I'm just multiplying by 2, right? So 52 minus 52 by 7. Y2 will be equal to minus 52 by 7 plus 17 by 8. 56. Now 8 8 is 16, 1 8 5 is 40, 41. That's a hard one. 16, 1 8 5 is 40, 41. Plus multiply by 7. 7 7s are 49. 4 7 1 is 7, 8 9 10 11. 4 1 6 1 1 9. This will be 7. This will be a 9. Really? This will be a?
Yeah.
297, right? Minus 297 by 56. Otherwise, it would be, when you convert it to a mixed fraction, it would be 56 times maybe 4, 5, 5. 5 5s are 25, 2, 6 5s are 30, 3 5s are 25, 26, 27, 28, 280. Yeah, see? That makes sense. So this will be a minus 5, 17 by 56. That's a little complicated, right, Srishti? I agree.
Yeah.
Fractions, it's a little complicated. But you guys should be used to, for PSAT, SAT and all, you should know how to manipulate fractions. Okay. So was it okay? Can we stop here? We will continue working on only endpoint, midpoint this week. Any questions for me? Stay. If you don't have any questions, we'll see you all next week.
Miss
Bye, Miss
Priya.
Priya.
Bye, ma.
Bye, Priya.
Bye, Miss
Bye,
Priya.
guys. Have a nice week ahead, guys.